Mathematics is present in all aspects of daily life. Mathematical abilities are required for problem solving in almost every aspect of life and are a part of human history. To make sense of their surrounding, all people have used and continue to use mathematical knowledge and competencies. As a result, I, Cassandra Ines S.P. Perea from ABM 11 1A 1P would like to discuss my knowledge on operation on functions.
What is operation on functions? Operation on functions with overlapping domains can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. If f of x and g of x are two functions, then for all x in the domain of both functions, the sum, difference, product, and quotient are defined as follows. Functions behave exactly as one would expect with regard to the four basic operations of algebra, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When functions are combined by these operations, though, the domain of the new combined function is only the elements that were shared by the domains of the original function.
First, let's focus sa addition of function. So, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. This just says that to find the sum of two functions, add them together and you should simplify it by finding like terms. So, addition of function is f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, paano nga ba to? Our given here is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, g of x is equal to x squared minus 4. First, ano natin to? F of x. Our f of x is 2x plus 1 plus g of x. Our g of x is x squared minus 4. So, plus x squared minus 4. All we have to do to simplify it is combine like terms. May kasame ba yung x squared? Wala. So, write it down. By the way, i-write natin ito in a standard form. So, next is 2x. May kapareho ba yung 2x? 1, x squared, 4? Wala. Write it down. And next is, ito. Positive 1 plus negative 4. Para sila, so isolve natin. Positive 1 plus positive 4 is equal to negative 3. So, paano siya naging negative 3? Dahil positive to, and this one is negative, magkaiba sila ng sign, so we subtracted it, and we copied the may mas higher sign value, which is negative 4. So, here is our final answer. X squared plus 2x minus 3. And wala naman na tayo masasolve dyan kasi yan na yung pinaka-final form niya. Hence, f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, sa example po naman, that f plus g of x is equal to fx plus gx. Same lang ulit, since additional function pa lang naman tayo. Ang pinag-iba lang, iba na yung given natin ngayon. Ang given natin right now is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared. Find f plus g of x. So, all you have to do is arrange it first. Substitute natin yung f of x. Our f of x is 2x plus 3 plus g of x. Our g of x is x squared. Sa addition of function or sa operation of function product, if wala namang magka-same, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-solve. Ang gagawin mo na lang, write down it and i-arrange mo na lang. So, x squared plus 2x. Sila naman silang kapareho. And 3, may kapareho ba siya? Wala. So, just write it down lang. So, here is our final answer. So, ang f plus g of x natin is x squared plus 2x plus 3. Example here is f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. So, same stuff lang naman din, katulad sa mga last example natin. So, let's substitute f of x into 3x plus 4 plus g of x, which is x minus 3. Now, magsasolve na tayo. May mga like terms na dyan, mga magkakapareho. Meron. Kasi itong 3x plus x. Yung mga exponent nila parehas na 1, 1. And alam naman natin na yung x, may invisible 1 siya dito. So, 3x plus 1x. That would be 4x. So, parehas naman na positive. Plus 4x plus negative 3. Different sign, so magsusubtraction tayo. That would be positive 1. Paano siya naging positive 1? Kasi mas kinopy natin yung higher sign, which is 4, positive 4. Kaya siya naging positive 1. Here is our final answer. Wala lang magkapareho. And yun yung simplest term. I hope you learned something sa mga examples about addition of functions na naturo ko kanina. And to exercise that, here are some problems na gusto kong ipasolve sa inyo. And I'm going to give 30 seconds to solve it. And after 30 seconds, i-check natin yung mga tamang sagot. So, your 30 seconds starts now. Good luck! So, did you figure out how to answer the given questions that I asked? Given equations, rather. Here, i-explain ko kung paano yun nakuha and kung para malaman mo rin, explain ba tayo na. Our first given here is if f of x is equal to 7x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 2x squared minus 5, find f plus g of x. So, same step lang din ulit. F of x, substitute f of x, our f of x is 7x plus 5. Our g of x is 2x squared minus 5. So, combine like terms. Wala naman. So, x squared ko, walang kapareha. This one is 2x squared plus 7x. Magkakapareho ba yun? Wala. Positive 5 plus negative 5. Subtract ko yan. So, ang sagot yan is 0. But we will write natin ito in a standard form. So, ang isasagot na lang is 2x squared plus 7x. Here is our final answer. Kasi tayo. Ang galing mo. Given number 2 naman. Pause mo. And g of x equal to 4 plus 4x plus 2. Same step ulit. Find natin yung f plus f of x plus g of x. F of x is 6x squared plus 3 plus g of x, which is 4x plus 2. Combine like terms, walang kapareho kung 6x squared. Which is already combined. Next is 4x. So, wait lang na din. Since nag-write tayo in a standard form, so dapat arrange talaga siya. 3, positive 3 plus positive 2, that would be positive 5.
Positive 3 plus positive 2.
Here is our final answer. Dahil yung simplest form niya. Wala namang magkakapareha na. So, yan na talaga tayo.
Hindi, wait mo.
So our second problem is, if g of x is equal to 6x squared plus 3 and g of x is equal to 4x plus 2, find quantity of f plus g of x. So let's start na. So f of x, ang ano niyan is f of x plus g of x. So f of x is equal to 6x squared plus 3 plus g of x is equal to 4x2 plus 2. So combine like terms. May kapareha ba yung 6x squared? Wala. So just write it down. Plus, may magkapareho yung may kapareho ba yung 4x? Wala. So just write it down. Plus, 3 and 2, same sila. So we're gonna solve it. Positive 3 plus positive 2, that is positive 5. So here is our final answer. Quantity of f plus g of x is equal to 6x squared plus 4x plus 5. Our last the question is if f of x is equal to x squared minus 10 and g of x is equal to 4x squared plus 5x plus 15. Find f plus g of 10. So first, focus muna tayo sa f and g. So f of x is x squared minus 10 and plus g of x is 4x squared plus 5x plus 15. So first, arrange na muna natin siya. So yun na nga, combine like terms, x squared minus x squared and 4x squared. That would be 5x squared. Katulad yan ang sinabi kanina, may invisible 1 yung x. So, bale, ang basa dyan, 1x squared plus 4x squared. Kaya naging 5x squared siya. So, next is 5x plus 5. May kapareho ba yung 5x? Wala, so just copy it here. Next is 10, negative 10 plus positive 15. So, that would be subtraction. Actually, positive 5. Copy the higher sign, which is positive 15. So, wala naman ang same na wala namang same na mga pa. So, yan na yung simplest form and right now siya sa standard form. Ito na yung final. So, nakuha na natin yung function ng f of x is equal to x squared minus 10 and g of x is equal to 4x squared plus 5x plus 15. And yung final answer is yung 5x squared plus 5x plus 5. Now, hahanapin naman natin yung value ng x. So, all we have to do here is palitan natin yung x na itong 10. like this. 5, yung 10, yung x natin, palitan natin ng 10, raised to the power of 2, plus 5x ulit. That means, papalitan natin ng 10, plus 5. So, all we have to do is unahin natin yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. 10 times 10, that's... So, unahin natin yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, 10 raised to the power of 2, that is 100. Plus 5 times 10, that is 50. Plus 5. 5 times 100, that is 500. Plus 50 plus 5. 500 plus 50 plus 5 is equal to 555. So we already found the answer. Quantity of f plus g of 10 is 555. So, tapos na nga tayo sa addition of function. Ngayon naman, mag-focus tayo sa subtraction of function. So, to find the difference between the two functions, subtract the first from the second. Caution lang na make sure you distribute the minus sign to each of the term of the second function. You should simplify it by combining like terms. Katulad lang din, medyo same lang din sa addition of functions. So, this is how we solve it. Sa subtraction of function naman, halos same lang din naman siya kung paano siya gawin, except lang na instead of addition, subtraction na nga siya ngayon. Bawat yan sila, diba? Pero, may mga few changes lang na nag-differ, unlike if i-compare natin siya sa addition of function. So, first, same step lang din naman ulit, substitute natin f of x, ano yung f of x natin dito na given? F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So, down 2x plus 1 minus g of x, which is x squared minus 4. Ang ano dito natin, ang slight naging differ niya, yung subtrahen, kailangan natin siya lagyan na ng parenthesis.
Wow! Amazing!
Lagyan na lang din natin yung both para hindi siya nakaka-confuse. Since magpapalit tayo ng signs. Bring 2x plus 1 and ito na nga. Para di-distribute tayo, patayos natin. So, negative times x squared, that would be negative x squared. Negative times negative 4, since same sign, that would be positive 4. So, combine like terms na nga. Yung x squared, wala naman siyang same na sign. So, ito unahin natin. X squared.
No.
So, yun na nga, negative x squared. Unahin natin. 2x naman, x. May same na sign ba yung 2x? Nakita naman natin na wala. So, paki-write down na lang. Write na lang natin. So, ito na nga. 1x minus positive 1x minus positive 4. So, that would be positive 5. So, positive 1 minus positive 4. So, same sign naman siya. But yung bigger sign din naman para sa positive. So, yan. Naging 5. Positive 5. So, here is our final answer. Negative x squared plus 2x plus 5. Ito yung final natin. Sa example 2 naman, same lang din f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. our given here is f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3, g of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 1. So, same step ulit. F of x, ang f of x naman natin is 2x squared plus 3. So, write it down na lang. 2x squared plus 3. Minus, magpo tayo ng parenthesis na kasi mahalaga to avoid confusion. Minus g of x, which is 4x cubed plus 3. Plus 1. Kaya nga, dingdang, labas na sa parenthesis. X plus 3. So, distribute naman ulit natin. Negative times positive 4x, that would be 4x cubed. Positive, negative 4x cubed. Positive, negative times positive 1, that would be negative 1. So, combine like terms. So, ito muna, like natin sa standard form. So, 4x cubed. Wala naman siyang same, so, copy na lang natin. And next is 2x squared. Wala rin siyang same, so, write it na lang, 2x squared. So, ito na nga. Positive 3 minus negative 1. That would be positive 2. Since, mas higher na sign yung positive 3 kaysa sa negative 1. So, wala naman ang magkakasame pa na ano. So, ito na yung final form and simplest form. Here is our final answer. 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2. Sa last example naman natin, ang given naman is f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. So, lang dito natin, natin yan. F of x, or f of x is 3x plus 4. So, minus g of x. Which is x minus 3. Kasi f of x times g of x. So, ito yung mga given nila, right? 3x plus 4 yan. So, lastly, put some parenthesis. May confusion na. Negative times negative x. That would be negative x. I mean, negative times positive x. That would be negative x. Negative times negative. Since both sila ng sign, nagiging positive yan. If you remember yung mga sinabi ko kanina, hanapin natin yung mga same na yung mga same, and then yung isa-solve isa-solve natin. So, ito na nga, 3x minus x. May mga nasabi ko kanina na may invisible x palagi. Ay, invisible 1 yung x. Yan, I just put it parang. Laging may invisible 1 yung x. So, ang magiging sagot, 3x minus x is 2x. Paano siya naging 2x? Kasi positive 3x to, and this one is negative x. So, subtraction, and copy the higher sign, which is 3, positive 3. So, naging 2x. Next step is ito. 4 minus, positive 4 minus positive 3. Same lang sign. So, all I have to do is add 4 plus 3, that would be 7. So here is our final answer. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa subtraction of functions na itinuro ko. So i-exercise ulit natin yan. And isolve natin yung mga given problems na nakalagay sa PPT. So again, I'll be giving 30 seconds, and after that, we'll check na if tama ba yung mga sagot nyo, and para na rin na mas lalo tayong matuto. Problem number 1 here in our subtraction of function. If f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4, find f minus g of x. So first, that is equal to f of x minus g of x. Let's just substitute na. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Ito yung ano niya. So, 2x plus 1. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis para hindi tayo malito. Yan, minus g of x. Or g of x is x squared minus 4. Walang natin 2x plus 1. And ito na nga, para magdi-distribute na tayo, so times, negative times positive x squared, that would be negative x squared. Negative times negative 4, that would be positive 4, since same ng sign. So, time for solve na, to combine like terms. 2x, positive 2x, minus negative x squared. Magkasame ba sila? Hindi. So, let's just copy the x squared. Next is 2x. May same ba yung 2x? So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa subtraction of functions na itinuro ko. So, i-exercise ulit natin yan. And solve natin yung mga given problems na nakalagay sa PPT. So again, I'll be giving 30 seconds, and after that, we'll check na if tama ba yung mga sagot nyo. And para na rin na mas lalo tayong matuto. Positive 5, since same naman ng sign. Positive plus positive, that's positive. Ito na yung simplest form and final answer natin. So problem number 2 naman tayo. If f of x is equal to 6x plus 4 and g of x is equal to 2x minus 7, find f minus g of x. So let's follow the same thing that we did lang then. So that would be f of x is minus g of x. Next step is identify f of x is equal to 6x plus 4. Some parentheses. Huwag natin kakalimutan yan. Minus g of x. Our g of x here is 2x minus 7. So, put it. 2x minus 7. Bring down 6x plus 4. Distribute lang tayo ng signs. So, negative times positive 2x, that would be negative 2x. Negative times negative 7, that would be positive 7. Since same sign nga, diba? Next step is solve. Magkapareha si 6x and 2x. So, positive 6x minus negative 2x. That would be 4x. Copy the higher sign, which is positive din. Which is positive kasi mas malaking yung 6x. Positive 6x. So, positive. And 4, positive 4 plus 7 is equal to, so going back, positive 4 minus positive 7, that would be positive 11, since 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here is our final and simplest answer. So, finally, nasa last problem na tayo. Ganito siya isolve. Number 3, if f of x is equal to x squared minus 20 and g of x is equal to 6x squared plus 4x minus 18, find f minus g of negative 5. First, let's find the function first. I mean the simplest form of function. So, f of x minus g of x. Our f of x is x squared minus 20 is equal to x squared minus 20. Parenthesis. Minus g of x, which is 6x squared plus 4x minus 18. Bring down lang x squared minus 20. So, same step lang ulit. Distribute yung sign. Negative times positive 6x squared, that would be negative 6x squared. Negative times positive 4x, that would be negative 4x. Negative times negative 18, that would be positive 18, since negative times negative is positive. So, combine like terms. So, x squared, may kapareho ba siya? Meron, which is this one. Same sila ng 6x squared. Kasi, like I said, sa mga previous kong nasabi na, laging may invisible 1 itong x. So, 1x squared minus negative 6x squared. That would be negative 5x squared. Kasi, magkaiba ng sign, which is nag-subtract tayo, and kinapin natin yung sign na mas may bigger value, which is 6x squared. Next step is 4x. May kapareho ba yung 4x? Wala. So, copy lang. And next, itong 20. So, negative 20 minus 18 minus positive 18. That would be negative 2. Paano siya naging negative 2? Kasi, positive 20 to, and this one is negative 20 to, and this one is positive 18. Both different ng sign, so magsusubtract tayo, and naging negative 2 kasi kinapin natin yung higher sign, higher value ng may sign, which is negative 20. So here is our final answer. 5x squared minus 4x minus 2. So, paano na, the one that we're finding here is f minus g of negative 5. To get that, so yung final answer nga natin kanina sa ginawa natin, letter A, is nakuha na natin yung function niya. Pinaka-function ng 5, which is 5x squared minus 4x minus 2. But the question here is, find f minus g of negative 5. So, paano natin siya makukuha? All we have to do is, palitan natin yung mga x ng negative 5. 5x squared magiging negative 5 to the power of 2 minus 4x. With x to, papalitan ulit natin ng negative 5 minus 2. All we have to do is, solve na muna natin yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. Negative 5 raised to the power of 2. That is 5 times 5, which is 25. Minus negative 4 times negative 5. That would be 20 minus 2. So, 5 times 25. Ay natin to. 5 times 25, ilan siya? That is 125. Bring down ulit, 20 minus 2. So, final step is, i-minus natin sila lahat. 125 minus 20 minus 2. Ilan ba siya? So, 125 minus 20 minus 2. Did you already figured it out? Nasolve niyo na ba? So, ito yung sagot. 103. 125 minus 20 minus 2 is equal to 120. And that is our final answer. So, f minus g of negative 5 is 130. According to Paul Halmos, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Implying that we will never learn if we do not even try. We can never escape mathematics, no matter how much I wanted to. Everything around us is mathematics, and everything in our life is a number. That is why it is critical to learn mathematics, because life is like a mathematical equation. To maximize your gains, you must understand how to turn negatives into positives. That brings us to the end of our video for today. I hope you learned something as much as I did from our math teacher. Shoutout po kay Sir Manolo. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Again, I'm Cassandra Yunis S.P. Perea from ABM 11 1A1P, saying that if you want to make your life shorter, do math. Kidding aside, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. That's it for today. This is Sandra. See you next time. Peace out. that brings us to the end of our video for today. I hope you learned something as much as I did from our math teacher. Shoutout po kay Sir Manolo. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Again, I'm Cassandra Yunis S.P. Perea from ABM 11 Man A1P, saying that if you want to make your life shorter, do math. Kidding aside, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. That's it for today. This is Sandra. See you next time. Peace out.